I appreciate you joining me again for this fabulous episode of Devil Craft Leather. In this episode, we're going to be finishing up the Jon Snow Bracers. I'm unwrapping the wet molded. Ooh, no. Just taking these out of their cloth that I wrapped them up in.
Hey, Dad.
Okay. What?
Do you have any duct tape?
It's upstairs in the kitchen, I believe. Sort of, it looks like a seepage around the rivet. It has to be something to do with the glue, and maybe the metal, or maybe the leather and the metal, like a reaction of some sort. I don't know. Maybe somebody that knows or that has seen this before would be able to comment. Okay, so we're back. Now, these are starting to look like bracers. Am I wrong? I don't think I'm wrong. Clutch is like 2 hours, wallet's like an hour, but this like kind of goes beyond just a wallet. This is like, I don't want to say engineering. It's just like design and functionality coming together to produce, essentially something that would stop your arm from being cut off. What I am doing is now creating the buckles that will go across said. If I was to have this bracer on and I'm strapping this thing up, I'd want to, strap this. Yep, okay. So I got my holes punched in both of these. These are cut to length. These are fine now. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm just marking these in the midpoint here, so that I can do my sort of signature V shape, which I'm going to be stitching these in. I know in the images, Jon Snow's bracers are just riveted on, and obviously it's faster to rivet things in like movie production and stuff. But I don't like. I mean, I would have to rivet through another 6-ounce piece of leather or 5-ounce piece of leather, and I just don't think that they'd be very strong if I riveted them, but I know that they're going to be super strong if I saddle stitch them. And it'll be kind of a pain getting the holes in there, but this whole thing was a challenge. So you just have to rise to the challenge and keep moving forward. Alright, so I'm almost done with these leather bracers here. I'm pretty stoked about how these are turning out. Using these really sweet, big chunky belt buckles. And I can't wait to be finished with these, but I appreciate you joining me on this adventure. That was really smart. I cut that diagonally, which doesn't make any sense. Things you do when you're tired. Okay. I used to get a lot of sleep. I used to try and get 8 to 9 hours of sleep every night. That was when I was driving like an hour and 15 minutes to work every morning, and like it was kind of pertinent that I be fully conscious. So then I run over it again with the lighter to tighten up the threads on the backside. Kind of caramelizes them a little bit. Gets them a little more durable. Alright, so 2 done. Just gonna keep dropping here. Oh. I mean, I guess the last stitch is always the hardest, right? I do have to say, these turned out very, very well for first time doing leather armor amidst reproducing some movie memorabilia. These being Jon Snow's, like a replica of Jon Snow's bracers. Jon Snow Bracer. Alright, well, I appreciate you watching this episode of Devilcraft Leather. Hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed it. Alright, well, it's been a journey. It's been an adventure. Never stop adventuring. And when you're out in the wide world, don't forget, the devil is always in the details.